Welcome to Discovering Wild Animals, a fun learning adventure for kids. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of wild animals and learn about their amazing characteristics and habitats.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel AI Maskman. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating engaging and educational animated videos for kids. Did you know that channels like this can make a substantial amount of money by creating learning videos for children? Take a look at this particular channel. They have uploaded only 777 videos and have a whopping 11.5 million subscribers. If we check their channel on Social Blade, they have more than 11 million subscribers, and their estimated monthly income ranges from $35.9 thousand to $573.6 thousand, which is truly amazing. So if you want to learn how to create these types of animated videos and earn money from YouTube, stay tuned with me until the end. Let's get started. First of all, choose the topic and ask Chatgpt. I want to create a YouTube channel for kids' animated learning videos, so please write a video script about various wild animals. Then, Chatgpt will provide a script with a title and a divided script scene by scene, and also give us some ideas about the background scenes. Alright, now let's generate the voiceover for the video. For this, I will open 11 Labs. In this tool, you can get 10,000 free characters to use. Now, let's choose the voice. There are many options available. I will choose Gigi from this list. After choosing a voice, adjust the settings and choose the language. Now let's go back to Chatgpt and copy the intro scene script and paste it here. I will generate the voiceover scene by scene, which will help me in the next step. Now, let's generate this and download it.
Welcome to Discovering Wild Animals, a fun learning adventure for kids. Today, we're going to
By doing this, generate all the scenes audio chronologically. Now in the next step, I'm going to create an animated character for my video. To do this, let's search for Adobe Animation, a video maker designed for YouTube. Click on the link that offers a free animation maker specifically tailored for YouTube videos. Best part? This tool is completely free to use and no credit card information is required. Upon entering the tool, you'll find a list of characters to choose from. Feel free to pick the one that best suits your video. For my video, I've chosen this particular character, a charming girl, and now I'll adjust her to fit my storyline. Now, let's choose the background. The tool offers a variety of options. You can choose from a collection of images or opt for a green screen background. Additionally, you have the option to upload your own image to serve as the background. In this case, I'm going to opt for a green screen background, because this will help us to easily remove the background during editing. Then after, choose size for your video that works best for your animated character. Moving on to audios, you can either record your own voice or upload an audio file by simply clicking Browse. So here I will upload the audio which we generated earlier from 11 Labs. After a few minutes, our animated character will be fully rendered and ready to go.
Welcome to Discovering Wild Animals, a fun learning adventure for kids. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of wild animals.
Now let's download this. By this way, you have to generate all the scene video one by one and download it. Now, to create an animated background for our video, I'll be using the free video editing tool Canva. Now choose the video icon from the dashboard, and then upload all the videos which you generated using Adobe. Then go to the Elements and Search Forest. So here we can get many images to choose, or if you are using free version, click on Filter and choose Free to display only the free options. If you're not satisfied with the available options, you can also generate an image for your background. Simply click on Apps and choose Magic Media, and then enter your prompt, such as cartoon-style forest background. Then you can also choose image style and aspect ratio. So here this will generate 4 images for us. If you're still not satisfied, you can modify your prompt or click on Regenerate to get different results. It's amazing, right? So here I am going to choose this image for my background. Now let's add animated trees and plants to look this image more realistic and attractive. After adding trees, now let's add animated animals in this. Try to add more animated things to look attractive and realistic. Now let's add animate birds. Just click on Animate and then click on Create an Animation. We will select and drag an element around the canvas to animate this bird. This way, you can animate anything you want. We can also select movement styles, speed, and add motion effects to look more realistic. Now we will check the timings of the video that we've created with Adobe and set the timing of the animation which we created on Canva. So our first scene background is completed. Now go back to the Chatgpt and find the first animal mentioned in our script, which is lion. Now let's return to the Canva and copy the background of the first scene for the second scene. Then go to the elements and search the lion. As I said before, if you are using the free version, click on the filter and select the free. Alright, now let's animate this lion by using an amazing feature of Canva. As we can see, it looks like the lion is moving around the background. It's amazing, right? And then set the timing according to the second scene. By this way, create all the scene background video and add some music and animal sound, create engaging video. Then when you are done with editing, click on Share and download all the pages separately. Or you can also download one by one by choosing particular page from here. Alright, let's jump to the final step, editing. For this I will use Filmora. You can choose any software of your choice. Now upload all the videos of animated girl and animated background in this software. Then insert all the background videos in video layer 1. And add the animated girl video in the video layer 2. After that, select the video layer 2 and select the chroma key function. And then make some necessary setting to set the animated character perfectly. Then after, add the second scene video in layer 2 and follow the same process. By this way, add all the video and remove background using chroma key function. And once the editing process is completed, click on Export button and export your video in 4K. Now let's have a look in our video.
Welcome to Discovering Wild Animals, a fun learning adventure for kids. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of wild animals and learn about their amazing characteristics and habitats. Let's start our adventure by learning about some fascinating wild animals. Our first wild animal is the mighty lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. They have a magnificent mane and are powerful predators. Lions live in groups called prides, and they hunt together to catch their prey. Next, we have the gentle giant, the elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have a long trunk that they use for eating, drinking, and making trumpeting sounds.
So my friends, by this way you can create a great kids learning animated video by just little efforts. I hoped you found this video helpful to you, and I also love to hear about your experience creating kids learning video. Share your thoughts and results in comment section below. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing video like this.